Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Zoom.com, and Zoom is now updated with AI tools and other elements that will allow you to deliver an online meeting or an online webinar. Zoom is a paid application, and you will see that there are a number of applications that you may want outside of the free version. The pricing plan that you see on your screen is as a recording of this video, but you can see the scale between all of the plans that are available. One of the things that you will want to be aware of is that when you purchase a meeting plan, this does not include a webinar plan. If you want a webinar plan, you will need to add it onto a pro plan or a business plan. Now, the webinar plan does have slightly different features, and you may opt to have a webinar plan if you have a number more attendees. And you will be able to look at this plan according to the subscription that you want. But it's quite possible that you may want to start by looking at the free plan to determine if Zoom is an element that can fit inside of your business. Now, for the sake of this course, we will be looking at a meeting plan in addition to a webinar plan added to it. And so there will be some features that you may not see if you are using the free plan. And when possible, this will be noted. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.